Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A20e. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, enter More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to Assistant, Phone, and make sure that Google Assistant function is enabled. Also make sure that Hey Google is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.